You are asking Julian. Julian, look, what do you think, Julian, about this pizza making situation? What do you think about the pizza making situation? You eat a donut, not even think about it, right? So, my baby got to make some pizza.
Daddy, you have created a cardinal sin. You're never supposed to film portrait style.
I'm not filming portrait style. What are you talking about?
Yes, you are. You gotta turn the camera sideways.
Okay, Julian is about to be making some pizza with my lovely wife, Capricia. And we're joined by our daughter, Chandler, who has made her some cinnamon apple.
Okay. First thing first. Let me see your donut. Go sit your donut over here. Don't come back for it, okay? Let me put your hand off. What's that noise? Okay, hold on. Get some flour. You know to put some flour right there. Get some flour and dust it on there. Like this. Look. Look. And you do it. Right there. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job.
Throw it on the floor, Juju.
Like this. Okay. Now take the biscuit. Now take the biscuit. Here. You're gonna roll it. Roll it. Yeah, good job. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Roll it. Roll it. Let's see. Oh, it's sticking, Juju. Hold on.
Gotta add some more flour.
Here. Come
Yeah.
on. Here.
Julian, you're supposed to be rolling out your pizza dough, buddy.
Let's start it. You know, you roll it. Roll it. Go ahead. Roll it. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Come on. Come on. Roll it. Roll it. Doing a good job, honey. Doing a good job. Roll it. Let's see. Okay. Okay. We got that going.
Close up on Julian. Julian got a little flour on him, trying to figure out how to get it off. And his pizza dough right here. Threw some flour on the floor.
Yeah, that's what you did when you're making cookies. And pie.
Okay. We gotta look, Juju. We're gonna take this. Look, we're gonna take it. We're gonna spray it. Okay. Here. Here you go. Take this and we're gonna do like this. You do it. Come on. Gotta season the crust. Season it. Season. See? Season it. There
What's
we
that,
go.
garlic?
Look, pick it up. Here. Let's pat it in there. Here, pat it in there. Pat it in there. Pat it all in there. Get in there. Get all in there. Okay? So we're gonna pick it up. Here. Here, hold it. We'll put it right here. There you go. Look at all the little butters. Let's get our little butter, Juju. That's our little butter that popped out. Let's get the butter. Come here. I'm down here. No. Okay, here. Let me get this.
And the close up on Juju.
Here you go. Look. Get the spoon. You gotta do like this. Do like that. Do some more. Here you do it. Smooth it in. Spread it around. Good job. Keep spreading.
Good job, Julian.
Keep spreading. Get it all around. Wait a minute. Oven's done. Here. Yeah. Okay. Now, well, Juju, we're gonna make yours kind of. Oh, we gotta put some cheese up there. Hold
Yeah.
on. Where's the mozzarella cheese? Oh. I might have to pause it because I suppose it. Another thing, Juju, look, put some cheese.
All right, Juju.
Here, look, put some cheese on it. Here, put some cheese on your pizza. Put it all over your pizza. Sprinkle all over. Good job. You want cheesy?
Look at his little face.
You want some more cheese on it? Good job.
Julian, I like my pizza like Papa. A lot of cheese.
Come on, some more cheese. Some more cheese up there. Here. Oh, we can put them.
I think that's the cheesiest right there.
Here we go. Get a little bit more cheese. Good.
Let's get a close up of that. The lips.
Let me
'Cause he
see
got
over here.
every bit of flour on the lips.
Here. You gotta season it. We got put some basil up there. Yeah. And then here. Let me see. And we're gonna put some Italian dressing up, Italian season up there. Oops, Italian season. That's going good. Here, a little bit of garlic for pizza.
Oh.
No, it's okay. It doesn't. That garlic has. It doesn't have a lot of taste to it.
And then get some of these pepperonis. Here. Hey, good job. Good job, buddy. Good job. Nice. Okay, that's it. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. You no? Okay. Let's make sure we spread it out. And just for good luck, here, put a little more cheese on top. A little more cheese on top. Good job.
Yeah, because Juju likes.
Good job. A little more cheese.
Excuse me, chicken. Choking up.
Let's get a look at this pizza.
There you go.
Get a look at the maker, the baker.
Good job. High five. Hey. Come on, let's put it in the oven. Look. Look. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay? Put it in the oven. Okay.
A few moments later.
Look what we got, buddy. It's hot.
Look at the pizza. It's going on here.
Look, Juju.
Some personal.
We gotta let it cool off. You see? Look. You see what you did? You did a good job. Don't touch. It's hot. We're gonna let it cool off, okay? Then you can get some good eating. Okay?